Good day to you children. Today we are going to read and understand lesson 3, keeping clean. Okay, so now first we are going to start with warm up. The pictures show what Anisa does every morning to get ready for school. Number the pictures as 1, 2, 3 and 4 to show the correct order. Now can you see the picture? Now what is the name of this girl? Her name is Anisa. So now Anisa is getting ready for her school. So we are going to give numbers to the picture. Now first what she will do? First she will brush her teeth. So Anisa brushes her teeth. Second, after that what she will do? She will have a bath. So number 2. Okay, then what she will do? She puts on a clean uniform. So we are going to put number 3. And what she will do at the end? She will comb her hair. So number 4. Now keeping clean. Keeping ourselves clean is important to stay healthy. Children, you should always keep yourself clean. Okay, you should take your bath every day. You should brush your teeth. Okay, you should wear clean and neat clothes. So let us learn how we can keep ourselves clean. So today in this lesson what we are going to learn, that how we should keep ourselves clean. We chew food with our teeth. Children, you chew food with your teeth, right? So germs grow on the food stuck in our teeth. Now when we are eating something, right? So the food gets stuck in our teeth and then what happens? Then the germs grow. Okay, so for that what we should do? So we must brush our teeth twice a day, right? So we should brush our teeth twice a day, in the morning and when you are going to bed, in night. Now come to the next page. A bath helps to keep our body clean and fresh. Okay, so children, every day you should have a bath to keep your body clean and fresh. So we must have a bath every day. Now children, when you are going out to play, okay, in the morning, when you are coming to school, even when you are at home, you should always have a bath, right? We must wear clean clothes after a bath. Now after a bath, what you have to do? You have to wear neat and clean clothes. We must exercise daily to stay fit and healthy. Now children, you have seen that people are doing yoga, they are going for morning walk, they are going to gym, right? They do meditation. So why they are doing all these things? They do all these things to keep themselves fit and healthy. Now we are going to start with good habits. Tina washes her hands before and after meals. Now children, when you are eating your meal, okay, so before the meal you should wash your hands and after the meal you should wash your hands. Now can you see the picture of Aman? Now he is Aman. Aman clips his nails with a nail clipper. He does not like dirt under his nails. Now did you know germs grow in dirt collected under nails? These germs can make us sick. Now children, if you are growing your nails, okay, right, so what will happen? The dirt will grow under your nails, right? So what you should do? You should clip your nails with the help of nail clipper. Now here the name of the boy is Joy. Joy washes his hands after using the toilet. He never leaves the toilet dirty. Children, when you are using the toilet, after the use of the toilet, what you have to do? You have to wash your hands with the liquid or soap. Okay, and after using the toilet, you should flush the toilet. We should never leave the toilet dirty. Now can you see the picture of a girl? Who is she? She is Vani. Vani covers her mouth with a handkerchief when she coughs or sneezes. Now children, You should always use handkerchief when you are coughing or when you are sneezing. So in this way we can protect others also, right? They will not get infected. Then we should follow good habits. You should always follow the good habits. Good habits help in keeping us healthy and strong. Now wrap up. Keeping clean. So teeth. To keep your teeth clean, what you should do? You should brush your teeth twice a day. Then body. To keep your body clean and fit and healthy, what you have to do? You have to take a bath every day and you should exercise daily. Now hands. So to keep your hands clean, what you should do? You should wash your hands before and after meals. Wash your hands after using the toilet. Now to keep your nails clean, what you should do? We should clip nails. We should clip our nails regularly. Then cover your mouth while coughing or sneezing. So now children, we are going to start with evaluate. Things you know. Tick the good habits and cross the bad habits. Meera has a bath every day. It's a good habit, so we are going to put a tick. Ali does not wash his hands up before eating. It's a good habit? No, it's a bad habit, so we are going to put a cross. Tina wears a clean uniform. Okay, so we should wear clean uniform. Yes, so put a tick. Then Brian does not brush his teeth before going to bed. It's a good habit? No, it's a bad habit. So put a cross. Now B. Strike out the wrong word in each sentence. Brush your teeth twice or once a day. So we are going to strike the word once because once is a wrong word. We should brush our teeth twice a day. Then second, take a bath every day or on Sundays. So we should take a bath every day, not only on Sundays. So we are going to put a strike on the word Sunday. Now third one, grow your nails to keep away germs. So what we should do? We should clip our nails to keep the germs away. So we should not grow our nails. So we are going to put a strike on the word grow. Fourth one, wear dirty clean clothes after a bath. So you should wear clean clothes, not dirty clothes. So we are going to strike out the word dirty. Now answer in one or two word. Okay, so here what is given? With what do we clip our nails? So we should clip our nails with nail clipper. Then second, with what do we cover our mouth while coughing? With the help of handkerchief, or we should use handkerchief. Now answer in one sentence I am going to give you in your notebook. Now E, circle the thing which is good for us. For teeth, brush is good or cake is good? So brush is good. For hands, so we should wash our hands or we should keep our hands dirty? So we should wash our hands. Now skin, so for skin we should play in the mud or we should have a bath every day? So we should have a bath every day. Now nails. Okay, so to keep our nails clean we should clip our nails or we should grow our nails? So we should clip our nails. Then hair. Okay, so what we should do? We should grow our hairs? No, we should use a comb. Right? Now things to do. Pick your food. Circle the food items which are good for our health. Cold drink is good for our health? No. Fish is good for our health? Yes. Pizza is good for our health? No. Watermelon is good for our health? Yes. Burger is good for our health? No. Then Okay, the brown bread is good for our health. Juice is good for our health. Yes. Tomato is good for our health. Yes. French fries are good for our health. No. Cheese is good for our health. Yes. Okay, children. So we are done with our lesson. I hope you have understood the lesson as well as the matter. Thank you, children.